What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another 2023 roller coaster construction update, aka Project Penguin, and the working name possibly, High Surf. And before we head inside the park, there's a lot to see and do over at the storage lot, so let's get over there now. Well, wasn't that some cool views from the air? As we saw in the storage lot, lots of new track pieces. and some have brake fins, some have drive tires. Lots of new stuff though. And I'm thinking very soon that the storage lot over by Aquatica might get some parts, because this storage lot over here by Discovery Cove is getting a little full. Let's get over to the park and see what's going on inside. Parking was pretty much a breeze. Ticket windows have a little bit of a line, not too bad. And front entrance, well, we should be right in. Let's go take a look over here for a quick second. Yep, like usual, no way to get through. We are on our way. Sky Tower, and we can see it's in operation. And they also have something really neat, Sky Tower fireworks viewing. So from 300 feet up, you can watch Ignite and the fireworks. All you gotta do is scan that and buy tickets.
Golf tower over there.
I mean, I get a general idea.
And there's a closer look at the main construction site for that coaster, rumored to be called High Surf. And as we saw from the Sky Tower, foundations for the track and supports are starting to go in. We have anchor bolts in place, and there is a ton of work going on. This area over here will eventually be for the launch, as well as the turnaround. You already know we can't come to SeaWorld without checking up on our pink chickens. And if you saw our last update, they're back. It's so good to see them. Look at all the nests. We're gonna have baby pink chickens soon. Lots of them. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for the 2023 roller coaster project, aka Project Penguin, and working name High Surf. Exciting stuff as we have foundations beginning to go around everywhere. And generally, rule of thumb is once those are poured, it's anywhere from 2 weeks to about 5 to 6 weeks before we actually get vertical construction. So I think High Surf will go vertical sometime before, let's say, second week of August. It's gonna happen pretty quick, and you know we're gonna have plenty of updates, a lot to track over in the storage lot, and more will be arriving. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.